Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont. I'm the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm just going to show you how to two ways to view your bookmarks in Google Chrome. Google Chrome for Windows or Google Chrome for Mac, or if you're using a Chromebook or anything like that, this is how to do it. First of all, make sure Google Chrome is selected. And if you're expecting to see your bookmarks toolbar up here and it's not showing up, you can just go to View, Always Show Bookmarks Bar, and it will be revealed again. The other thing you can do, let's say that it's not visible and you want to just check out your bookmarks, or maybe you don't even have a bookmarks bar, just go to Chrome, Bookmarks, and then you can start to select them here if you organize them in any way. Or maybe there'll be a long list, other bookmarks or mobile bookmarks. So that's a quick way to get to the bookmarks that you need to see. For more information on how to get the most out of your technology, go to in30minutes.com, where you can see some of the books that we've written, as well as find some other tips and tricks on the blog. Or also follow me on YouTube, or like my video on YouTube if this was helpful to you. My name is Ian Lamont, signing off. Thank you so much for watching.